ansa na ebetumi atwere Python codes ewo your computer so no softwares mienu ewo hɔ a ewo sɛ yetumi install ansa na yetumi atwere Python codes the edikan the Python interpreter. This Python interpreter we no dwuma edi ne sɛ programmer fa ye code a ye betwere no na afei a convert no into machine codes sɛ na be computer no betumi ate ase na odi edi dwuma. Normally ye code na ye type no it is more like in a human readable format. Computers no so omonte sa human readable format ya ye type wo mu ase. The Python interpreter no ebefa code a ye type in human readable format no na fi a convert no into machine format so na be ya computer no betumi arun ama nti ye hia sa Python interpreter no e wo say download na ye install. The second software ye hia bibia e text editor. Text editor we so your computer programmer and on a boy ema yetumi type code bia ye pese ye type nti ye wo ahodo bebre ye wo notepad ye wo text edit ye wo sublime text ye wo atom ye wo VS code nti edoso wo yen ye course ye mu no ye be use Visual Studio Code ye VS code the edikan yen download the Python interpreter ewo wo computer no so no obetimi abie web browser bia we use maybe use Google Chrome. Inside the address bar no type download Python afebo enter. First link na ebeba no ebe link a ede obekọ the official Python website ti bo first link no download Python ne so ubo eno so a ede obeba the official Python, that's python.org/downloads. Aha, and obenya Python interpreter no na wa download it. The current version as at the time sa video Python 3.1 3.4. Nti oba e pese wo share bibi ense e wo ha ema me. Say e wo different operating systems e wo ho. Say wo the Windows operating system and e wo the Mac operating system and e wo the Linux operating system. Nti depending on operating system I want. Nti so we downloading for Windows. They say we use Linux operating system. And I say Mac OS obebo Linux and I say Mac OS and so na fi wa download. So maybe they no na download e Python 3.1 3.4. Download na afi yenko download the VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Inside the address bar, no, type download VS Code. Now enter. The first link na ebeba and so do be called the official VS Code website. Now if you work on download the Visual Studio Code no ewo. Haso yeba haso on say Windows. It is we use Windows operating system we download it for Windows. So we use Linux operating system we download it for Linux. Now you see Mac operating system as well, and so we download it for Mac operating system. It's meaning you see Windows. The mobile Windows. So the download should start automatically. It's unstarted automatically. Download not starting. Try this link. The boss link with access so that you can be able to download the Visual Studio Code. See now you download the Python 3.1 3.4. That's the Python interpreter. Any Visual Studio Code. After you install it, any can install Python interpreter. Normally say download the BB free internet. Ayana by default a kugu your downloads folder. You be call downloads folder and as a baby biara would direct downloading ma a kugu yen. Let's say be sa folder no. Be sa folder no. Then what double click on the Python interpreter setup. The double click here, activate Python installation wizard no ama to install Python 3.1 3.4. So wizard no area over down here we be add python.exe to path. And no compulsory. I will say what take it option. So what take it option we are now afi yako install now. Now we install now no so. To install now no so setup no be sha say install e wo computer so setup no install we have been setup was successful. I just say what to me install setup and install area no afi inclusive. Question is say Messi then na who say ampara setup no install wo me computer no so. Ti e be call the task bar no so. Baby you use the search for items on the computer no. You type CMD. See CMD no at the command prompt no ebeba. So boss wa e be command prompt na eden ama. Na afi yem confirm say indeed Python interpreter no install wo your computer no. So you type Python hyphen version. So type Python hyphen version we are no about enter key ni so. So bo enter key ni so e wo say wo hu Python version na we installing. To me install Python 3.13.4. So wo hu say the Python version no ama wa na just say yes indeed Python interpreter has been installed on your computer. You install Visual Studio Code and so your machine so. The same you double click on the Python setup the same way. You double click on the Visual Studio Code setup. You double click was what you start to activate the installation wizard no amaye. Then we need to accept the license agreement. So I accept now take a minimum. I accept the agreement. We are no about next. Me pese minya desktop icon my desktop no so I will create a desktop icon. One pese be create icon desktop no so which me leave way on check. See afi no ma next. Me next no ma install no so. So don't say setup no be share and install it computer no so. Please wait while setup installs Visual Studio Code on your computer. Visual Studio Code setup no so install here. Launch Visual Studio Code. This say ya on take away and as you use check mark no everywhere. Near finish no so a be Visual Studio Code no amaye. To major media no on take no ma finish. To me finish no say be Visual Studio Code no amaye. Ti page be say na just say indeed what to me install Visual Studio Code. After we are now ready to write our Python codes.